Okay, here we are at the Cultural Center. This is where they would usually put a bunch of flags at. I don't know where the flags are right now. I see a couple down there. Anyways, we're gonna walk into this Cultural Center and around it and just kind of check it all out, so stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are at the Cultural Center, and got these things to flash up bright lights at nighttime so that people know how cool this building is. They have a lot of events here, so especially like theater or classical music, the arts basically. And then this has the creative arts, so it says Creative Macau, and a post office. So let's just check it all out. This is area is called it's called Nape, N-A-P-E, and up there is the Museum of Arts, and that's Cultural Center of Arts. That's the entrance. We're gonna go up in this other way here. We're gonna use this escalator. I don't know if I can bring the camera in or not, so we won't bring it in. And I'll just kind of go a little faster for you guys. Actually, we could go in. There's nothing really there. It's basically better for, well, this is a museum. It's kind of cool though. That over there is a casino. We're gonna go over here. Wow, look at this. Oh, the water's dripping down. It looks like, from a distance, it looks like it's like a lake that's not even. But it's very illusionary because it's actually just kind of pouring out from there. So we're gonna walk. I kind of want to walk into these buildings, but actually they're kind of empty. And then they'll ask me to, they'll want to scan my temperature and things like that. But if you go in, it's just like kind of an empty hall-ish kind of thing. I know you're all curious, so I guess I should go closer to the window. Can you see my reflection? Oh, okay. So basically they have, I don't think I'll go in, but we'll just take a look. So you got some symphonies, piano recital, things like that. Oh, thank you. I don't want to go in. It's not really worth it. I think you could see a little bit into it, right? But you do have this massive place, so there's somebody enjoying the park. And then you have some of this cool stuff as well. And that cool stuff over there too. So yeah, this is the Macau Cultural Center, and you have symphonies and classical music, ballet would be here, art museum is here, and then you have some more of these kind of tall buildings. And we're gonna walk right into this area, which is usually filled with young kids playing, but it's a Friday afternoon, and it's hot, September 4th. So they are not really around today, but usually they'd be skateboarding and enjoying their little lives with their parental supervision. And let's see, what else should we explore around here? And over here is a casino. It's called the Rio. No, it's not Rio, it's Sands, sorry. And I guess we'll probably end it. Might not be that interesting once you've seen it now, but I'll probably do a separate video with Fisherman's Wharf over there. And there's the Cultural Center right there. And there's the casino right next to it. All right.
minha,